Hello everyone, my name is Satyam and welcome to my channel. Hello guys, I'm back with my another video. So as the title of this video suggests, yes, today I'm going to announce my meetup. Finally, after 1.5 years of vlogging, finally I'm doing my first ever meetup, which is going to be obviously in Nashik. So guys, the meetup will be on 4th of August, that is Saturday. The meetup time is 4:30 p.m. and the destination or the location is Tokata, Mahatma Nagar. Now if you don't know Tokata Mahatma Nagar, then there will be a Google map link in the description box below, so you can check it out that where is the destination. And yeah, my meetup will be on this coming Saturday. As I told you, the timing is 4:30 p.m. sharp. मैं दिन भर में मुझे बस वही टाइम मिला तो मैं उस टाइम पे आ रहा हूँ. So yeah, I request you all guys to come over there because I really want to meet each and every one of you. And there is one more thing, I will be also doing a small giveaway at the meetup. I will be giving away a good quality helmet, means not any cheap helmet. I will be giving a good quality helmet. Means you have to just answer one of my question and जिसका आंसर मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगेगा वो जीतेगा. So yeah, I'm really very excited. मुझे पता भी नहीं मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. So here I end my video. So this was a really very short update video about my meetup. So yeah, see you at the meetup. Alright guys, so here I end my video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed, then click here to subscribe and click here to see my last video, and I'll catch up in the next video. Okay, bye.